So PDF is a really useful file format. It locks the formatting down. It doesn't allow edits unless you allow them to. It's a nice, compact and very compressed file format. But the problem is, if you create a document in Word, for example, save it as a PDF, and then want to create an image in a different file, different program or file format, maybe Publisher or whatever, you then have to save it as a PDF. You then end up with two PDFs, a front cover and a second page or second pages. So if you want to send this to a person, you don't want to send it as two files. You want to combine it as one single file, nice and securely. So the best tool I found online to do this is called Combine PDF. Pretty straightforward, and it's actually on combinepdf.com. Nice and easy to remember and to use. So it has an upload file button, which you can use to browse your locations and add files, or it's got a really simple drag and drop interface as well. So what we're going to do, we're going to open our documents folder, and we have a PDF, and we have a PDF page too. So we're going to highlight both of these by clicking and holding down the control key, so we can multi-select our files. We're going to click and drag these onto the web page and drop them in place. What's going to happen is it's going to actually upload them to the file system, convert them to Combine PDF's file format, and then allow us to combine them. In this stage, we can actually move the files around. So if we have multiple files and they may be uploaded in the wrong order, you can actually pick them up and just drag them across with a click and a drag. So we're going to go, this is PDF and this is PDF2. Once they're in the right order, we hit the button called Combine. It's going to literally then combine them and download the PDF for us as named combine.pdf. Now, I will say this was really quick. It's basically because it's two very simple, almost blank PDFs. If you have multiple PDFs or very large PDFs, this will take a little while, but there will be a progress bar that you can watch and keep track of. The other thing to note is that Combine PDF don't actually store any files. This is a singular exchange. You send your files, they send the file back. There's no storage or anything on their end, so your files are perfectly safe. Once obviously it's downloaded, you can open this up and check that it's working. So this is PDF, and we'll just check PDF page 2 is here. PDF page 2 is in the right place. We can then close this down, close this window down, and we go to our downloads, and we have our combined PDF, which we can then move into our documents and go PDF page 1 and 2. And we're all sorted. We have turned two PDFs into one PDF, ready to send out to clients, ready to store, ready to email to people, maybe even ready to email to a designer. That's it.